the top I used like a brown color. It didn't really lift anything. The color that you see was already deposited in my hair from like 2 years ago or so. So I'm gonna let it sit about another 10 minutes and then I'll wash it out. All right, you guys, it really didn't lift at all too much. It did lift the hair that was previously dyed and then my roots. So it's sort of like an uneven application. It's not terrible. I don't like how it kind of left my scalp looking a little brownish. But I haven't made a video in so long, and you guys see how much like my hair has grown. Like I remember when I was over here at my mom's house the last time, it was like sitting at my shoulders. So I got some length, a little bit of length now. You know, that 5 months without a retie really made a difference and put some length on my hair. Let me scoot that. See? Pretty.